So welcome back. So still continuing from the last lecture. So in this lecture we are going to be talking about how to show and hide drawings in SolidWorks. So we have these two views, like we said in the last lesson. This drawing is aligned with that drawing. So now let's say we want to hide this view. We want to hide this view but just leave this view. So what we'll do is right click on it and find our hide, and sometimes you have to click on that down arrow. Let me show you again. Right click on it and click on this arrow until you see the hide, and you press hide on it and you hide that view. And to show it, that since we know that drawing is there, we can just right click on it again and show. And the same thing goes for this one. Right click, click on this down arrow, hide, and that is how you hide drawing. Sometimes when you hide a drawing, you might get the option that do you want to hide all drawings, and you will click no, but the option is not showing for this one, probably because the drawing is projected. So I'm going to show that drawing, and let me try to add a section view, so maybe I can show you what I mean. I'm going to add a section view to this drawing. Click OK and move it over here. So now let me see if it works, and I'm going to try to hide this drawing. There you go. Now I have that option because I'm trying to hide the main view where this section is derived from. Now it's asking me, do you want to hide dependent view also, which is this view, and I can select no. And now only that view is hidden, and now I still have this view, and to show it back I can just click show. So that is how you hide and show drawings in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.